So this is how I decorate the RV for Christmas.
Even when you live tiny, you gotta get a little creative. And honestly, that makes it more fun. I'm bringing out the red buffalo-plaid sheets, the fuzzy winter comforter, the cozy candles, and even a tiny Christmas tree decorated with ornaments from our travels. And I'm crafting an adorable mini stockings for our tiny RV fireplace. And I'll be sharing the PDF pattern on our website for free in case you want to make some for your own home on wheels. Let's get festive. Hey. Two boxes are on that side. I think these have the ornaments and stuff. It's that time again. Time to take the regular sheets off and decorate it for Christmas. Yep, there they are. But yes, that's all of it. Alrighty, good. And I just wanted to check. It's always 6 to 1, half to the other, which way I is the right side. I'll take a chance on this. This being the correct front and back. Yeah, this is never the fun part. This is definitely a workout. The trick is to do this before the cats come back in the room. And all bets are off. This is actually a king size. So I guess either side could probably work. I double it back, tuck it under part of our end tables, as it doesn't really fit all the way. And we're gonna pull it out every night anyway, so oh well. I have regular pillowcases for the regular pillows. And then I have pillows that came with the comforter for a king size bed that are the king size. Fuzzy on one side and then the fleece on the other. The cats love this. And it gets cold, it gets really nice, but right now it's a little on the warm side, which is why I'm wearing shorts. There we go. Voila. This pillow goes out in the living room. Okay. This is what I do for the bunk bed, which is really just for the cats. But it makes it look festive. It has a right side and a wrong side to this. You see you patches. She sees me. She's not thrilled. Okay. I'm not sure how I did this last time. I think I doubled it up. Cats love the fuzziness on this thing too. So that's pretty cool. That's the tree. Let's see if it works. It looks like it works. I'm sitting on the table doing this little tree. I'm trying to fluff up all the branches because he got smushed under the bed, fluffing him up. Since they're little wire branches, you can kind of wrap the lights. Yeah, you can wrap the lights around it. So this works out really well. Yeah, that looks pretty good. This is always the fun part. Okay. We have towels for the bathroom. We have our little stockings, which goes with the one I just made. A little snowman from Hershey's. Okay. Stocking hats. I got 2 of those. Actually, these are the napkins. I don't know what happened to the tablecloth. Our little flameless LED candles. These are pretty cool. Oh, here's the tablecloth. All right. And towels for the bathroom. A snowman. Okay, I have glass ornaments for this tree. May not put them on because we do have pussycats. Yeah. All right. Decorate the Christmas tree. Very good sound.
Okay, we have little birds and a bird bath, which kind of goes perfectly. We have Snoopy in a stocking. Put him up high. Cats really love to play with him. These, I don't care if they play because they can't break them. And the little guy. And a little glass ornament. Come on, put them towards the top. We got this one in Louisiana. It's a little alligator on an airboat. More little birdies and a nest. I have more little wooden ornaments. A little wooden train. Isn't that cute? Yeah. I can't break that either. Everything has to be pussycat friendly. I have Rudolph. I have a little lighthouse at Block Island. And we used to boat there. And some of these are pretty heavy, but that's why I like this little tree. And it's got little wire branches and nothing makes it sag. A little cowboy and a horse, which is appropriate. A little cactus that's decorated with little lights. We got that in Arizona last year, or the year before. This one's from Moody Gardens. This just says hope. I got this from New Mexico. Now we can even see him. We have a little sailboat that we got. I used to boat and Martha's Vineyard. I just thought it was cute. But it's the perfect size for this tree. Oh, we got another little birdies and nest. This is Santa Claus. This was a gift from a friend. A little snow angel, has my name on it. I stick all my angels at the top. I have a little angel on a sled. And I have Santa Claus on a sled with a tree. This is a moose from Arcadia National Park. I went there with the fifth wheel in 2007, I think. Maybe not. Never know. Okay. That takes care of that. I have a piece of black string and I pin it to our so-called mantle with push pins. And it goes over here. You really can't see them. I have them on with long paper clips because I can move them aside if there's heat coming out of here. Bingo. And I put one in the middle. And I have a brand new one, a Triton that I just made. And I'm gonna put him on the end. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that would be 8. That'll be 4 on this side and 4 on this side. I'm just gonna pin it here. And I'm using clear ones, so you can't really see it. And just move it around a little bit. They're all evenly spaced. And that's how they look. Here's our fireplace. Of course, now it's hot outside. So it's supposed to have another cold front come in tonight. So it won't be warm for long. And got Lucy sleeping in my chair. Enzo, who's wondering, what the hell am I doing? I have happy little holidays. It goes right here. All right, okay. I have 2 of these towels. A red one and a green one. Pop them right over top of these towels. Yeah, I have a Santa Claus one. There we go. Don't they look nice? Put this guy over here. This is what it looks like. A&P bathroom, but hey, all right. All decorated for Christmas. Got 2 more ornaments. I'll put those on the tree in a couple of minutes. See if the candles or they need all new batteries. Let's find out. Oh, that lights up. That's cool. All right, how about this guy? Yeah, that lights up. Cool. Yeah. All right, they all work. Isn't that cool? And I'll put the tablecloth on. Okay. I need to fix that. Oh, I just doubled it underneath just to get it to the right proportions. It's actually an oval tablecloth. I bought this tablecloth when I had my first apartment. So it's really pretty old, but it works perfectly here. I just doubled it over. You can sort of see where the other end is. And usually I pin it with pins because we have cats and they knock it all over the place. But I just use the 3 pins I have. And there we go. I just found 2 more ornaments that we just bought this year. Shenandoah National Park, and the other one is, this is actually when we went to Rockport, the Fulton Manor. They have these cool little medallions that I think would be perfect on the Christmas tree. See, isn't that pretty? Yeah. Oh, let's stick him right there. Let's curl this up. So the cat's, the cat's gonna whack it. It's not a swan. Oh, this one, you know what? Just gotta use brute force to get it open. It's just not playing nice. And there we go. And a Fulton there. I really don't like this long white cord thing. That looks better. Yeah, that's pretty cool. No, I bought this online. Technically, I have to put it right sides together. Remember, this is a stocking. It's not supposed to be a piece of work of art, so don't stress over it. Yeah. Need a few pins. You can see where I pinned it before. When we bought the motorhome in 2021, I made a whole bunch of stockings then, and then my beloved Angel died to make 2 more for the kittens. So it is what it is. Do you need a sharp scissor? That would help. Go. Okay, I'm just gonna pull the pins out and then I'm gonna pin the 2 sides of the stockings together. You can sew it by hand if you want to, but since I have a sewing machine, probably take me more times to set the thing up than it is to sew it. There we go. Alrighty. Let's get the presser. Okay. Good enough. At least it worked. Let's take out the rest of the pins. There's only 4 in here, so let's see. Makes it easy. I'm going to turn this right side out. I'm going to cut a couple of little cuts in here because making these go around the corners could be a little tight. And the iron is your friend. You'll see what I mean in just a bit. And as you can see right now, it still doesn't look very good. It doesn't look like this one, but it will. Well, God, this is what I'm doing with. I'm trying to get the end of the stocking to come out. This stocking is actually going to be for Triton. I realized he didn't have a stocking. Okay, and I'm not even going to hem the top of it. I am going to just press it in place. Okay. Yeah, looks pretty good. I have no idea what's rattling in there. Okay. Now here comes the fun part. We have little letters. And the trick is to lay them out before you iron them in. And I'm looking for Triton. I have to write that out. Capital T-R-I-T-O-N. There's an R. Looking for a T. Here's a T. Okay. There's a T next to the question mark. Okay, and this is what I'm using. Let's just put him here. Can you see me? 15 to 20 seconds.
All right, always read the instructions. Now the trick is to peel them all off and make sure they don't run off the end of the stocking. And this is why I'm using parchment paper, because once I put this down, and now we wait. Okay, let's see. There we have it. Triton. He's got his own stocking. You don't have to be perfect. This is for you guys. You want to turn him sideways? Put him on an angle so he fit? Why not? You tell everybody you're just creative. Don't tell them it didn't fit. Happy holidays, everyone. Celebrate this season. Thanks so much for joining us on this cozy decorating day. I hope these simple ideas, from repurposing old decor to crafting your own mini stockings, help spark your creativity this holiday season. You don't need a big space to make big memories. And don't forget, the free stocking PDF is up on our website under free stuff. There'll be a little tab on the top for your own tiny fireplace stockings. And if you decorate your RV too, send me a picture. I'd love to see what you guys have created. Happy holidays from our little home on wheels and our big home. And see you in the next adventure. So come join us on our adventure. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're up to next. Ring that notification bell to tune into our next video, usually out every Saturday morning. Please leave a comment too. We would love to hear from you guys. Have a good one.